Commodore Callback 8020 is marketed as a retro-inspired flip phone designed to bring back classic mobile phone vibes while adding modern features. The idea sounds interesting: less distraction, nostalgic design, and a simpler experience. But the real question is, are flip phones actually back? Now, to be fair, flip phones never completely disappeared. They just shifted into a different market, focused on simplicity and digital minimalism. What it does well: retro design appeal. The classic flip design can feel nostalgic and different from today's smartphones. Less distraction. Many people like simpler phones with fewer notifications and apps. Where the hype falls apart: it will not replace every smartphone feature. This is the biggest issue. App availability and functionality can be more limited. Typing and navigation may feel slower. Modern smartphones are built around larger touchscreens. Not everyone wants digital simplicity. Some people rely heavily on apps and connected services. So are flip phones back? Short answer: yes, but not for everyone. They seem to be making a comeback among people who want less distraction and a different experience. But smartphones still dominate everyday use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.